Mogidi singer and also one of the founders of the Gengeton music in the country, Peter Miracle Baby, has been in hospital for some time. But you all know the news that comes with one being hospitalized and also undergoing surgery in hospital. His wife, the wife to Peter Miracle Baby, Katrue, has also come out to call out some people that has been spreading certain information in regards to Peter Miracle's baby, because some people have also put out information that allege that Peter Miracle Baby has passed, which is something that has not been good with Katrue, because she has come out clear, calling out the people, and this is what she had to say in regards to the people that has been publishing news out there in regards to the hailing Gegeton rapper turned Mogidi singer, Peter Mwangi aka Miracle Baby, was fallen victim to social media death hoax. The musician's baby mama and wife Katrue lamented that she had received so many calls to console her following reports of Miracle Baby's death. Now, speaking during an interview with local publisher, Katrue dispelled Peter Miracle's baby online death hoax, affirming that the singer was very much alive and kicking. She further wished death upon those who were killing his sweetheart when he is still breathing. Kuna watu fulani wanapost TikTok na Facebook at RIP. So nimekuwa nikireceive calls, so watu wananiambia ati pole, so nauliza mnaniambia pole juu ya nini exactly? So ningetaka kuclarify juu simu zimekuwa zikiingia mingi, siwezi chukua zote. Peter ako sawa, hajakufa, so mwenye anajaribu kumua yeye ndiye atakufa kwanza, Katrue said. Katrue also complained that the musician's several baby mamas had gone underground, leaving her alone to take care of Peter Miracle Baby. Baby mama wamekuwa wakimtafuta. Where are they? Where are the baby mamas who have been fighting for him? The interviewer asked Katrue. Hawako, mimi sijaona hata mmoja. Hata ile kupiga simu kuuliza ako aje, hakuna hata mmoja. Au wanatokeanga walikuwa wanafanya hivyo wapate jina juu, hata wengine walikuwa wakujiwekelea, si wa ukweli. Now, a fundraiser was held on Wednesday night, January 24th, 2024 for Miracle Baby. Vernacular singer and philanthropist Karangwa Moraya and Katrue went live on the musician's Facebook page directly from the hospital where Miracle Baby is receiving treatment. During the live session, the duo openly talked about Miracle Baby's condition as they marshaled funds to raise money for him. They revealed that the hailing singer has been hospitalized since January 16, 2024, when he was rushed for medical attention. The musician's medical bill soared to Kenya shillings 1 million for the 2 weeks that he has been receiving treatment in the hospital. Katrue explained Miracle Baby's early journey to the fans, revealing that the surgery was successful in addressing complications in his lower abdomen. And we also come here to also condemn the news that are being published. How do you go ahead and allege that Miracle Baby is dead? You do know how old is Miracle Baby? He's such a young man. Huyu hata hajaanza kuishi maisha yake. You know, he has kids to take care of, ana familia, ana mke ambaye they haven't even started their journey of love together. So people should at least sometime consider those that are being affected by the news that you are publishing out there. We pray that Miracle Baby gets well. He has been such a blessing to the Kenya music industry, both the secular industry and the Kiswahili and Gengeton music, because Peter Miracle Baby is one of the greatest pioneers of the Gengeton music. And when it comes to Mogidi music, Peter Miracle Baby is one of the greatest that we have had. I tell you that if artists will one day come out to reveal the music that Peter Miracle Baby has written for them, mtashangaa ni wasanii wangapi na nyimbo ngapi hit songs ambazo huyu kijana ameandika. is such a blessing to the music industry. So people should at least sometimes consider when they publish certain news in regards to somebody such as this who is loved, kwa sababu tunapenda Miracle Baby. Watu waseme wasiseme, we will remain to love him. He has been a blessing to us as the Kikuyu people. For now, that's what's up. Tunakuomba upate kusubscribe ndani ya FM show, tuungane.